Listen to me carefully. There are two kinds of people in this world. The ones who keep saying one day I'll change, and the ones who wake up and decide, day is that day. If your life feels stuck, broken, meaningless, you are not waiting for the right time. You are wasting the only time you have. The truth is, you can fix your entire life in just one single day, but only if you are willing to treat this day as if it's your last shot. This is not a game. This is do or die. And if you can commit to this, truly commit, your life will never look the same after today. Burn the excuses. You can't start a new life while carrying the dead weight of excuses. Delete them all today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. I'm too tired. I'm not ready. Well, I don't have the resources. These are just comfort blankets for fear. The first step to fixing your life in a day is to kill the old story you've been telling yourself. Rip it out by the roots. From this moment, the phrase "I can't" is banned from your vocabulary. Audit your life without mercy. Get brutally honest with yourself. Where is your time going? Who is draining your energy? What habits are silently destroying you? Write it all down in black and white. If you can't face the truth about where your life is leaking, you can't fix it. Fool. Today is the day you stop sugarcoating your failures and start cutting out the cancer. Toxic people, gone. Pointless distractions, deleted. The habits that keep you small, dead. Build your non-negotiables. Most people live life reacting. You are going to start directing. Decide on 3 non-negotiables for the rest of your life. The habits and standards you will never compromise on. It might be 1 hour of exercise every single day. Reading 20 pages before you touch your phone. Working on your dream project for at least 2 hours. Whatever they are, these are your minimums, not your goals. Take one massive action right now. Transformation doesn't happen by thinking. It happens by doing. In the next hour, take one action so big it scares you. Make the phone call. Apply for the job. Sign up for the program. Launch the business page. Book the ticket. End the toxic relationship. Don't wait for a perfect timing. That's the graveyard of dreams. Lock the new you in place. The danger isn't starting. It's slipping back. So, before today ends, build a system that makes your new life automatic. Set alarms. Create reminders. Block the websites that waste your time. Put your gym clothes by the bed. Schedule your work hours. This is how you turn one day of change into a lifetime of progress. Right now, you're standing on a line. On one side is the old you, tired, frustrated, full of excuses. On the other side is the person you've always wanted to be. The only thing between the two is a decision you have to make today. No more someday. No more waiting for life to hand you permission. You have one life, one shot, and one day to prove to yourself that you can change it all. So, are you going to talk about fixing your life, or are you going to fix it today?